Polished concrete floors have grown to become the flooring material of choice for both residential and commercial properties. One of the reasons behind this is the huge advancements in concrete polishing equipment and techniques. Over the last few years, contractors have worked on a significantly higher number of floors than used to be the case before. Any concrete can be styled, whether it's new or old. Apart from that, you can achieve high-gloss finishes without the need for regular recoating or waxing. When you consider the superior durability and performance of polished concrete, it is easy to understand why many warehouses, offices, retail facilities, and other properties are choosing polished floors. As previously noted, polished concrete floors are easy to maintain. In addition, they are a reliable, affordable, and great alternative to the common flooring materials like tiles, linoleum, granite, coated concrete, and marble. Concrete grinding and staining are two of the most common options for polished floors. Grinding concrete produces an excellent finish. This method is mainly used to add various designs and patterns to an existing concrete floor. For example, a concrete polishing contractor will use this method to create stylish lines to pool decks and patios, among other surfaces. Moreover, grinding concrete can quickly be done in your home to give your polished floors some attractive new designs. Also known as cement grinding, concrete grinding can also be used to transform your existing polished floors to resemble a tiled surface. One of the key differences between regular polished floors and ground floors is that ground floors tend to be shinier, smoother, and slip-resistant. In addition, ground floors require significantly less maintenance than regular polished floors. For the longest time, materials like ceramic, hardwood, vinyl, and carpet have been the most common flooring choice in residential houses. However, polished concrete has gained a larger audience and popularity in homes over the past few years. Many homeowners initially shied away from polished concrete floors since they considered them expensive.